Detmore 101 here with another Makes Money or Costs Money tool / product review. And today we are talking about Hipur glue. Well, I guess it used to be called Hipur. Now this says Hipur, but basically it's a polyurethane hot melt adhesive, and it's substantially stronger than a normal hot melt glue. It says that on there. Stronger than traditional hot melt glue. And I use this for assembling pre-finished trim and certain interior casing packages. And I'll tell you what I like about it is really the speed with which you can get things assembled. So if I'm on a job that's time sensitive, like if I'm doing crown molding on a cabinet package and I need to be sort of in and out in a day, it's great for that. It's incredibly strong for a hot melt product. And I also use it for, I don't know, like it's good for so much. But the problem really is there's a huge learning curve on this. And the first couple times I used it, I hated it. And it was really because of how viscous it is. If you don't sort of understand how much to apply, how soon to clamp, you're going to end up ruining your joint. And it's so like mushy and tacky once you apply it that it's kind of a nightmare if you get it wrong the first time. So I would encourage you, if you're curious about this product, to really spend some time practicing with a couple tubes of it. And it's not cheap at like about $15 per tube, but practice with some joints first, the types of ones you'll be doing, if it's, pre-finished material, crown molding, or if it's casing. Do some practice. Really, you can't, that's what it's going to come down to, having good results, because it's in the hands of someone who knows what they're doing, it's an incredibly powerful, profitable tool. In the hands of someone who doesn't, it's just gonna waste money because it's not a cheap glue. So this is one of those tools that, depending on who you are and what you're doing, it can make you money and it can lose you money. So in my case, specific to remodeling, this is a money-making tool, but I only use it in probably 10% of the applications I do for trim. So knowing where to use it is important, but when I do, it's a money maker for sure.